Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to unmerge the cell on your Canva sheets on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to unmerge the cell on your Canva sheets mobile, just going to show in this video. So here you can see I have a total of 4 of unmerged cell. So I just need to unmerge the cell. So if you just click on the cell, you have this. You can see its whole cell acting as a one cell. Total of 9 cells has been merged. So now you just need to click on the toolbar on the bottom. Just click here. You have this toolbar and just swipe on the to the side. And here you just click on the 3 dot option more and then swipe down. You have this option called unmerge cell. Click on this. This will unmerge the cell. So if you just need to unmerge a lot other more cells, you can just select it as like a more cells and just click on the merge cell. Then click on the unmerge cell. This will unmerge all the cells. So the same process, just click here and just click on the more option and click on the unmerge cell. So if you just make this cell to merge cell, you can see the content will be go off. So try to make unmerge cell by clicking each cells. If it is empty, you can just do that method. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.